Hey, let me show you what to do if your selfie camera is not opening on your iPhone 17. So first of all, I will highly recommend you just to simply turn off that camera button. And now just make sure that in our dynamic island, this green dot disappear. Because when this green dot appears, it means that our phone still keep using the camera for some reason. So I will highly recommend you to open the control center, click on the power button, like click and hold it, release, and now just simply turn off your iPhone. And just turn it on back after a few seconds. You don't have to wait for like 5 or 10 minutes, something like that. No, just turn it off, then turn it on back. And if it is, and now we can just simply test it again. If it still doesn't work, then you can try to open some different applications that also use camera, like for example on the Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, FaceTime, and check if this issue also appears in that applications. If your camera is completely not working in any application, then I will highly recommend you to simply go for the system settings, go to the general, and simply you will have to search for a software update that is located here and check if your software is up to date, because sometimes when this kind of the issue appears, you will have to update your software to let Apple fix that issue. Sometimes in the details you can actually check everything that was actually fixed. And if it is still not working, then I will actually recommend you to try the ultimate way. So simply perform a reset of your iPhone, go to the settings, select erase all content and settings, and unfortunately you will have to get rid of everything, bring back all default settings on your iPhone, and then set it up again. If it is still not working, then I will just simply use the warranty, because I have no any idea how we can actually fix that.